Good morning, students. Today we will discuss NCRT exercise of magnetic effect of electric current. As we already discussed the whole chapter, now we are able to give answer of every question in exercise. Okay. Now our first question you can see here. Which of the following correctly describes the magnetic field near a long straight wire? We already studied about magnetic field of a straight wire. Okay, and we know about straight wire like that. This is a straight wire, this is current carrying straight wire, and we can find the direction of magnetic field. Okay, and that magnetic field we can find out by using Maxwell right hand thumb rule, and according to that, according to Maxwell right hand thumb rule, we can get the magnetic field lines of this current carrying wire, and it forms a concentric circles, as we know this thing from chapter. Okay, now we will check option of this question. Okay, then we find that first option, the field consists of uh, straight lines perpendicular to the wire. Number 2, the field consists of straight line parallel to the wire. Number 3, the field consists of radial lines. Number 4, the field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. As we know this thing that when there is a current carrying conductor, then magnetic field lines are the concentric circles. There are number of circles which are concentrics. Okay, now number 2, the phenomena of electromagnetic induction is. Okay, we already discussed about electromagnetic induction also. We know electromagnetic induction is a process when we produce a current due to relative motion between a magnet and the coil. So we can choose answer from these options, and answer C should be our answer. Number 3, the device used for producing electric current is called as we know this thing also, that electric generator can produce electric current. Electric generator is a device which convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. So most suitable answer is generator. As we know about galvanometer, galvanometer detect electric current, and we know about ammeter, it measures an electric current, and about motor it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So answer of this question is generator. Now move to question number 4. The essential difference between an AC generator and a DC generator is that it is not in our syllabus, but we should know this thing that there is a one simple difference between AC generator and a DC generator. Okay, I think you know about AC. AC means alternative current, and DC, which means direct current. Okay, so in AC generator we use slip rings, while DC generator we have split rings or commutator. Okay, we use commutator there. Split rings is also called commutator. You should know this thing. Okay, commutator, it reverses the direction of current in circuit. Now next question is here. At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit. You know also this thing also. We did not discuss about the short circuit. Let me tell you what is short circuit. Suppose that in our domestic circuit there are 3 lines. Okay, 3 lines. These 3 wires. One wire is called a live wire. Second wire is called neutral wire, and the third wire is called earth wire. Earthing. Okay, live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. You should know this thing. In 3 wire system we have 3 wires whose names are live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Okay, and always remember this thing. Live wire is at 220 volt potential difference, and neutral wire is at 0 volt potential difference. Okay, and third wire is earthing wire. Earthing wire is used for safety purpose. This is clear from my side. Okay, and we listen this thing about short circuit. Usually we know about this thing, short circuit. How does it happen? Now let me tell you. When these 2 wires, live wire and neutral wires, okay, when they touch each other, when they coincide each other, okay, then at that moment of time there is a very heavy current, and due to which that heavy current, as we know, heat is directly proportional to current का square, ठीक है. Then if current is very heavy, then it produce very much heat. That's why heat is generated, and we call that short circuit. Okay, so short circuit means when live wire and neutral wire coincide each other, then short circuit will be there. You should know this thing. Okay, so our question is, at the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit, you should know, current increases heavily. Okay, in the condition of short circuit, current increases heavily. That's why there would be fire also, because of that increased current. Okay, now move to question number 6. State whether the following statement are true or false. Okay, some we have some parts of this question. Number 1, an electric motor converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. As we know about electric motor, it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, not mechanical into electrical. So this is false. Okay, if I ask to you, name the device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy, that is electric generator. Okay, now next thing, an electric generator work on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Yeah, absolutely right. Okay, in the phenomena of electromagnetic induction, electric generator works. We should know this thing, and we already discussed about that. Now next thing, third one, the field at the center of a long circular coil carrying current will be parallel straight line. Okay, the field at the center of we discussed about straight wire, current carrying straight wire. Now it is talking about the circular wire like this. Okay, and current carrying circular wire it is talking about. By current carrying circular wire, it also produce magnetic field. So what about the magnetic field at the center of the circular wire? We already discussed about it, that at the center of the circular wire there is a straight line. Okay, there is a straight line. You should know this thing. Okay, now next, a wire with a green insulation is usually the live wire of an electric supply. Okay, this is also wrong. I already talked in previous question. There are three wires: live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. Okay, and we usually know about these wires by their color, and green color is for earthing wire. Okay, green color is for earth wire, not for live wire. That's why it is false, because generator and domestic electric circuit is not in our syllabus. That's why we didn't discuss about that, but we are discussing these things in our exercise. No problem. Okay, now next thing, list three sources of magnetic field. Okay, how can we produce magnetic field, or there are some sources of magnetic field? Please tell me about that thing. Okay, so answer should be by using permanent magnet, like that bar magnet we have, north pole, south pole. We know that by bar magnet we can produce magnetic field. Number two, by passing electric current through a straight wire or a circular coil. Now as we know from this chapter, that if we have a wire which carry current, that it can produce also current, it can also produce magnetic field. So this is a source of magnetic field also. And number third, by using an electromagnet. As we know, when we use electromagnet, it also produce magnetic field. Okay, so work in these questions. If you are facing any kind of problem in these questions, you can contact me, you can ask me. Okay, thank you dear students.